So I've been working on my 1987 Jaguar in my crowded garage, and I'm doing a little welding work. And so you can see my welder over here on the right, and I've been working on the floorboards. And this is what the rusty floorboards used to look like. So down here, you can see, that I've got the piece in place that'll finish when I weld that in, I'll make that all fit. And then I've got another piece over here. There we go, underneath here. See if I can get it. Here, right behind the wheel. Right there. So I'm finishing that up, and then I'll finish this section right here for the jack support, and it'll be all done. And now the jack support holds the weight of the car. Well, I've been repairing the lower valance panel behind the passenger door on my Jaguar XJS. You can see I've got quite a crowded garage space here. And so I'll take you in a little closer. I finally got this lower panel done. Good. So basically I had to weld in new pieces and weld the inside pieces that were corroded, and then put a couple layers of this Bondo just to fill the uneven spots, and then you'd use the squeegee to put it over, to spread it out, and then use the files and the sanders, to get it smooth. And now I'm at the point where I have only the minor little blemishes that I'll fill with a little putty, and then I'll be able to spray paint that, and it'll blend it in, so it'll look really nice. But we're doing pretty well, making good progress. I can't wait to show you when it's done.